It's very cold in Tokyo recently, so I drink hot beverages every day. Today, I will make milk tea with ginger and rosemary. It's one of my favorites. Prepare 2 Assam tea leaf, 500 ml water, 20 g ginger, 30 ml syrup, 1 piece of rosemary, fresh cream, a little brown sugar, 100 ml milk, a little nut crumbs. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Put the tea leaves into tea bag. Boil the black tea with ginger and rosemary. After boiling, heat the tea with low heat for 10 minutes. The rosemary and ginger will extract rich aroma while being boiled. Take out the spices. Add the milk. It's ready. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please leave your comment.